In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project's CMS, create a new field, fine-tune its settings, and publish your changes so they're live on your site. Start by opening your Framer project and heading to the CMS. You'll find it in the left panel. The CMS is where your collections and their structure live, so this is the right place to add or edit the fields that power your content. Once you're in, switch to the Fields view. This is the schema editor for the selected collection. If the collection is brand new and shows no items, that's totally fine. Fields can be set up before you add any content. Look for the Add control in the Fields view and open the Field Type menu. From the list, choose Plain Text. This is perfect for short strings, like titles, tags, or single-line notes. After selecting Plain Text, you'll see its configuration panel. Here you'll have several toggles and options. Use the switches to decide whether the field should be required or optional, and whether it can be edited in certain contexts. Pick yes or no according to your needs. If you're working with localized content or want to control visibility in lists or detail views, you'll see options for those as well. Again, choose the settings that match how this field should behave. Next, add defaults and logic if you need them. Click Add to open the configuration for extras, then choose Default. Set a value. If you want new items to start with a pre-filled entry. If your default should reference another field, use Based on, then select Choose Field, and pick the source field from your collection. This is helpful for things like mirroring a title into a short label or seeding a fallback value. When you're satisfied, click Add to confirm the default configuration. With your field type selected, its switches set, and any defaults in place, return to the Fields view to review everything. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the same highlights and adjust the switches or default settings you just configured. When you're ready to make the changes live, click Publish. Publishing updates your collection's schema, which means the new field is now available to your editors and components across the project. If items already exist, you can go back to the CMS content